Hello everyone, today I would like to do some presentation about classificate for the fourth time of the laporan. But before we go into start it, let me introduce myself. My name is Henki Janavician, or you can call me Iza, and I'm from class A with IEM 2023 3035. In here I already open up my Jupyter. We'll be explaining about the code. For the first is we need to import. We're using import pandas as PD model selection for trend test split, pro processing for import label encoder and standard scaler, SVM for import SVR, Gaussian NB, neural network for import ML regressor, Sklearn 3 import for decision tree regressor, matrix is for import R2 score, mean absolute, error, mean squared, and mean squared error. Then multiply both as PLT, Seaborn as NSS, and import warnings. The warnings will be filter warnings or ignored. Why? Because if we doesn't using the warning, it will be say a little bit red at line red at the bottom of the printout. Then we can using the data in here as the ASAP already give us. It was life expectancy data. It was type like df equal pd.date underscore CCV life expectancy data dot CCV. Then you can print out with df. Uh, as you can see in here, it has 250 2,935 rows with 20 columns. Then we can to drop na. Drop na is for dropping out the data which is doesn't equal with the data. Then for the label encoder, we can using df status. It will be leave it transform with status. Then we can df drop. We will drop the country and year. Then the x will be drop columns life expectancy and the y will be life expectancy. For the scalar, we use standard scalar and the x underscore scalar will be scalar with transform x. In here, the model is x train, x test, y train, y test. It will be train test split with x underscore scalar. Y test size is 0.2 and the random state of the random type of the data will be 42. Then the models, it will be SVM with SVR, database with Gaussian NB, but it was not ideal for regression for demo. It was for demo only. Then for the neural network, it will be using ML progressor with max ether 100 with random state 42. Decision tree will be decision tree regressor with random stats 42. And the result in here, it will be for name model in models items. It will be name nav-based model fit extend y trend round. Y pred is model per day fit extend y train, y pred equal model predict x test. The result will be R2 score, it will be R2 score with y test and y pred. My A or mean absolute error, it will be y test and y pred, and the RMSE and P scored will be mean squared error, y test and y pred. The result will be print out as hasil evaluasi model, and in here you can see the R2 score, my RMSE. Like in here, it using SVM, database, neural network, and decision tree. For the printout of the matplotlib using PLT figure with fixed size 10 and 6 with as an as bar plot. It was have an index, x for index, y for value, and hue is for the variable. Then the title it will be perbandingan kinerja model with the x label is model, y label is nilai, and for the legend we're using title metric. Then the penalty grid will be true. I want to see the grid in here. Then the penalty text will be print out my watermark. It was in here. And the font size is 8 with color gray, and alpha is 0.6. And the show in here. As you can see, it will be equal like this one. For the SPM in here, it was say 0.8. It will be under of the 1. Then 2.1, it will be in here. Then the 3.1, it will be a little bit more than the 3. And then the naive Bayes, it was still equal with the data from this one. Yep, maybe just that I can explain to you guys. It was all quite short, but hope you guys can understand what I'm saying and what I'm trying to tell you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.